Ayana Rock Bar is an open bar right by the ocean. We came during Bali's rainy season, so the big question is, what happens if it suddenly rains hard? Welcome back to my channel, it's Diana Fajar. This is still part of our day 4 in Bali, and here is what actually happened.
How many burgers and fries did we eat on takeaway nights? How many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world?
We're heading to Jimbaran, Bali, and to be exact, at a rock bar Ayana. It's famous for their sunset view. Just search Ayana Resort Jimbaran on Google Maps. The rock bar is located right on the cliff beside the resort. Alright, we have arrived at Ayana Resort area, so you don't have to stay at Ayana to visit the rock bar. Walk-in guests are welcome and we are one of them.
Nama itu ya siapa?
Ya iya alamatnya di komen. Nah kalau kita bablas ke sana nanti keluar lagi.
Iya, kalau bagus orangnya
Ya bilangnya nitip aja di situ dulu nanti diambil.
ya bilang aja belum.
Oh iya, apa jangan banget ya.
Iya.
Gimana?
So before check-in, I stopped at their public restroom to change outfits. It was really clean and well maintained, and the toilet, look at this guys, it has multiple buttons. Just press the safest one. It's so cool by the way. I mean, not every public restroom has this, right? Sekarang bingo. Alhamdulillah sih nggak hujan. Kita mau balikin ini. Soal misalkan masih ada waktu. After that, you have to follow the signs to the bar entrance. It is near the ocean beach pool area. So you guys only need to follow this way. This is a pool area. Just follow. Follow this way, guys. After that, you have to turn to the right side. And at 4 p.m. sharp, they start letting walk-in guests check in. You will get a bracelet that shows you are registered and gives you access to the bar.
Kata Mas suruh atas nama P.
Iya, ini kan
Masih. Follow the way, and queuing.
Satu rombongan.
Selamat sore, selamat datang ke afternoon. Duluan, boleh ya?
1, 2, kita lagi ngantri buat apa? Kamu di depannya, mami aja. Mami di tengah. Dan kita dur. Berapa menit lagi?
Soalnya ininya stuck.
Selamat gelangnya jangan bocor. Kanan.
Look at the view. It's so amazing up here. After that, we took the inclinator. It is a small lift that brings you down the cliff to a rock bar. The ride itself has an amazing view. There is no entry fee and no minimum spend if you sit on regular tables. But if you are aiming for the premium spots like day beds, top bar or round deck, those do have a minimum spend. Sore. Nanti jam 8-an, setengah 9 mungkin ada fireworks yang dari situ, guys. Oh gosh, it's raining, guys. Oh my god. Oh no, the rain suddenly got really heavy. The staff quickly handed out umbrellas and everyone rushed to find cover under the nearest roof or tree.
Jam lagi baru berhenti.
엄마 이거 쉬는 거예요.
Kok nge-zoom? Nge-zoom sendiri. Udah terang. Terus ininya pada tutup payung nih. Ada tinggal di sini lagi. Sunsetnya jadi cantik banget.
Wash my feet.
After the rain stopped, the staff removed all the wet day beds, but we just stayed and enjoyed the view after the rain. It was actually really beautiful. Anyway, today's Chinese New Year and the bar was supposed to have a performance and fireworks, but because of the weather, we had to wait about an hour to make sure it was really safe to go ahead with it. Wait until you see the performance and fireworks. It's so beautiful. If you guys wondering how is the sunset, here is the sunset. So pretty. Oh, I cannot. The dance performance here, guys, but we have to wait a little longer to see the fireworks. Yeah, that was our rainy sunset at Ayana Rock Bar. If you're coming during rainy season, just be flexible. So we are finally back at our stay now, and this is the Philly sushi I ordered earlier. It took 5 hours before I could finally eat, but surprisingly it's still so fresh. Thank you for watching and spending the day with me, and I will see you in the next part of Bali series. Bye bye!